You can see this flower. It smells very fragrant. So wonderful. It is a shrub plant. The smell has a similarity with Sampaguita. If you're aware, looking at it, you can see the wisdom, the intelligence of the Creator in it. Friends, the intelligence of the divine creation can be seen in every existing creation around you, and you are one of them. So do not look for what you call God. The God in you is within. Divine intelligence is within. No one created life just like the life of this plant, and you and me as a life. Let's be aware of the presence of divine intelligence within us, and let us experience it while we still have the existing life in us.